Yeah, so a drop of oil did the magic. Never been cleaned, that's for sure. And I think that's enough. Let's put it back in place. Well, now I have to see what's happening with that. Nobody touched that before, so it's kind of tricky. Okay, this is out. Man, that's it. Really careful. Tiny parts over there, they're prone of disaster in a second. So this is the effect block, and here we have all those tiny transistors, and I found the problem with the display. Two segments are burned. You see, this is the schematic here, and let's say diode mode. I'm going down here. This is common number 5D2. As you can see, we have the A segment, so everything is fine with this part of the display. I got all the elements, but if I'm going here to number 10, which is common for the first digit for D1, you see it there in the picture. Normally here I have the D element in D1, which is fine, as this one here, you can see it. The next one is dot. Number 3 should be the E element on D1, this one here. Obviously it's not. 4 it's okay. And now I should have this element here, this one, which is not. Nothing else to do but to replace the display. I'll check tomorrow the shops around. Now I'm cleaning the board and check for the connection to be alright. I couldn't find a proper replacement part, but I found something like this from friends, of course, and it's supposed to give me one of these 2-digit displays. Oh man, no chance. This is something really different. Okay, or maybe to use one of these, and this is a 366. Okay, let's have some schematic first. Common, it's minus the other. Display is with plus in common. So, no, it's not working. Okay, guys, you may say I'm crazy. Maybe I am. So, I can't find the display, at least for now, suitable for this job. But I found something else. Look here. You see that? Blue LEDs. With some pieces of wire, then I can restore connection. But for now, I believe hot air will do the job. You'll say I'm crazy, but this is done. Look there. So that will be the positioning. Missing segment. Like that. A little bit of super glue. Number 1, it's done. It's a mess, but I did it finally. So the second LED, it's on the bench. Voila! We did it. This tiny piece of wire, I don't believe it's copper. It's something, you know, like aluminum covered with copper. So once the copper is destroyed, there is no way to have a good connection there. That sucks. Okay, people, next is to see what's happening with the main fader, which looks to me like a little worn. I think I'm gonna replace this. I'm trying to adapt one of these guys. It's designed for Soundcraft. Now I have to make a kind of combination pin by pin to fit on the board. That shouldn't be a problem. We just have a few short wires for the signal path, in fact. Alright. By the schematic, the end of the resistance, which is 10 kilo ohms, have to go to the ground. So these two guys are going to the ground, and the other ones will be the signal. Doesn't really bother. The most important thing to see the things running. I can't wait for spare parts. I need this up and running as soon as possible. So that's why I'm in a kind of hurry. Output. 2 channels. There you go. Everything's fine. Okay, power on. Yeah, left, right. Look at my display here. It's amazing. You see the missing numbers. Well, it's readable at least. Yeah, it's fine. Signal. Oh yeah. So I got the display. I got the equalizer. Brand new output. Brand new output fader. No noise, anything. Let's check the effect. So this should be maybe this one. No. Perfect. Everything is so fine. This is an 8. What do you think about this crazy stuff? Man, this is the most crazy thing I ever done. But it's working. Okay, beautiful. New faders. Finally the LCD, it's working. And yeah, let's go to the next step. And I don't know if I should do that, but I feel like, you see, this mixer, it's pretty old. So, you know what I'm thinking. You see all this white stuff here. Don't think about anything bad. You see all these transistors here and everything. I don't think so. No, it's not so bad. It's pretty okay. Yeah, it's pretty okay. I don't want. No. Because I was thinking, you know, to replace, not exactly to replace, but to refresh those stuffs. No, I'm not doing that. That's enough. So let's put the things together. Okay, this needs to be cleaned, and I just washed all these knobs. I have to admit, these guys are really serious about shielding. This is really metal, proper shielding. Somehow I see these wires, they've been pushed down. I don't like that, so I'm gonna have a kind of, let's call it protection, like that, extra protection. This is the output to the power amplifiers, and we need to take it out or to put it back in this hole here. I believe we still have the plastic on top of this guy. You know, the protective tape they used to have on all the LCDs, LEDs, something. Still some stains. Now I'll try to clean them with pure water. Sweet things, cola or stuff like that, they are hard to dissolve in any other kind of yeah, of course, water is fixing the sugar related stuffs, juice, cola. You know something, that's kind of amazing. So I believe this guy was working like environmental music, something, you know, running for months, I don't know, because I can clearly see here under, you see that? This is so funny. I never saw anything like this. It feels like the colored piece of displayed here, behind here. It's burned. You see that? Burn on 40 something. That means, look there. That means it was really working on 40, which is early reflexing. Who the hell knows? And probably a restaurant or bar or something with ambiental music. Okay, it's back in place. I'm gonna take this later because they are still wet or have a kind of humidity, but the screws are back in place. The mixer is looking nice, the face, the top, I may say. But you know something, the most important thing is let's see if it's really having some power, you know, if it's working on the loudspeakers. But that's the main important thing, you know. Okay, let's go downstairs and hook some loudspeakers. Here we are. The cabinets are plugged. 2 Mac keys. Power, it's plugged. And volume's down, power on. Yeah, I could hear a slight beep in the loudspeakers. Let's see. Okay, have some signal there. You know, it's nice to use the PFL before anything to have the right level on the channel. And then, there we go. Nice and stereo. It's running, it's clean, it's nice. A good device for 200 euros. I can't expect much more. It will do the job for the next years. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button. And like always, I'm waiting your comments, write them down, don't be shy. Thanks to my sponsors, Vlad from Ampere Records, Radu from Belgium, Chuck from States. And in the meantime, until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you, bye bye.